Hello, this is quantitative reasoning, and we are looking at this operation today. It is a combination of multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Now, if we look at this, we have 36 here, times to 9, times to 4. So 36 divided by 4 will give you 9. 9 multiplied by 36 multiplied by 4 will give us 36. So multiplication of this will give us this. Now let's look at this. 6 multiplied by 7 will give us 42. 42 divided by 6 will give us 7. 42 divided by 7 will give us 6. Now if we look at this, this is 8 and this is 16. So this is addition. 8 plus 16, that's 24. 24 minus 8 will give us 16. 24 minus 16 will give us 8. So that is the operation that involves when it is up, it is multiplication, when it is down, this addition. So let us get into the operation in specifics. We have 8 and 6, and we know that when it is on a straight line, it is multiplication. 8 multiplied by 6, though, so this will give us 48. Just as we have 9 multiplied by 4, which is 36. The second one, look at the way the drawing goes. The curve is downward. The curve is downward. So this operation is addition. 15 plus 4. 15 plus 4, so this place will be 19. Now this is upward, the curve is upward, so the operation here is multiplication. Just as we have 6 multiplied by 7, and that is 42. So 14 multiplied by 21, so this gives me 294. 294. So what we have here is downward curve. So since we are adding this to this, we give us 65. So that will now be 65 minus 13, and that gives us 52. 52. So when we have a linear operation, so what we have is multiplication of the last two will give us the first one. So that will now be 4 whole 8 divided by 1 whole 2. So that gives us 4. 4 whole 8 divided by 1 whole 2. That gives us 4. Now to question number 6. Since the curve is downward, so the operation is addition. So we now have 302 plus 202. So that gives us 504. 504. So since this is upward, so the operation here is multiplication. So that is 1 whole 8 divided by 9. 1 whole 8 divided by 9. So this gives us 12. This gives us 12. So since this is downward sloping, so the operation here is addition, and that is 50 plus 390. 50 plus 390. So this gives us 440. 440. So question number 9, we have the linear is multiplication. That will now be 15 multiplied by 5. 15 multiplied by 5. So this gives us 75. This gives us 75. So to the last question here on this board, so we have 16 and 7, and the operation here is multiplication. 16 multiplied by 7, that is 1, 1, 2. So in a nutshell, in a recap, the operation here is multiplication. The second and the third will give us the first. For this one, the first and the third multiplication will give us the second. The first and the third for the third operation, addition of the two will give us the center. So thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Please be good.